you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 spring Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board inspiration and recreate it using items I already have in my wardrobe. So let's do it. Alright, got some fun ones. A little bit different. We've got some scarves around the head. I don't know, I've never done that. I feel like I'm gonna look crazy, but we're going to try. So we're going to start with the first one. As always, the whole premise behind these is just kind of trying to revamp things you already have in your wardrobe. Maybe you haven't worn them in a while, maybe you forgot you have them, maybe you just like need new ways to style it. That's what this video is about. So let's do it. Look number 1, definitely different for me. Not something I would ever really think, but I have so many pieces that look just like this. So let's try and see if it looks just as good on her as it does on me. I don't know, but there's only one way to find out. So let's do it. Let's start with my little, I'm moving down. Let's start by throwing my shorts around. Linen shorts from H&M. Not gonna lie, it's not that I forgot about these. I was afraid to try them on for a long time because I had convinced myself last year, even the year before, that they had shrunk. I'm not sure that's exactly what happened. I mean, they are linen, so it's possible, but I'm pretty sure I just didn't shrink, okay? So anyway, they fit now, so hallelujah to that, you know? So let's pop them on and build this outfit, because she has kind of like a trouser as short, I believe. These are very old from H&M. I've had them, like I said, probably 3-4 years. I do love them. I love a good linen short, and these are kind of like a classier linen short, if you will. I still feel like they're not, I would have liked to go up a size, but they fit now, and I'm not like bulging out of them or anything, so that's a win when you're in a chicken dinner. Okay, now she has a gray shirt. I don't have a gray shirt, dark gray, so we're gonna put on black and see if it'll give the same look. I also didn't iron these, sorry about it. Curled my hair for the first time, like in a while. Also did a first sunless tan since, well, it's actually my second sunless tan, my first well done. So the tan, see how my girl's done it, and it's eating. I'm so happy with it. Anyway, okay, so I don't know if she has this tucked in or what. I'm gonna kind of tuck it because I need to do like a scarf situation. So she kind of has like a dark scarf. This is kind of the only one that I have. Oh yeah, this is gonna work, I think. So let's pop that on. She has a fat old glass of wine, which I wish I did, but I don't. This is cute. Now she pairs it with cowboy boots. Would I? Probably not. But do I want to try? Yes, so we're going to. There's brown in this scarf and there's brown in the boots. She has like a suede pair. I only have a light suede pair, so I'm gonna go with just my dark chocolatey ones. Eating her, you know? Oh my god, I thought I was gonna drop that on my toe and I was gonna cry. But I wasn't. But I didn't, I mean. So cute. Okay. I just don't wear cowboy boots, like, ever. And I don't know why, because it's like, girl, you live in Texas. Okay. Can you tell I don't want to bend over? One thing I will say is her, like, scarf is a lot bigger than mine. Like, it has more of like a situation, but I think it's cute. I wish the shirt was a little more oversized, but I don't really have one that's more oversized than this. So like I said, it is what it is. Inspiration, not replication. Is this an outfit I would wear out? Yeah, I don't know where. I think she's like at a winery or something. I guess. It's definitely not like an everyday outfit, but it is fun. It is cool. I've been loving the scarves. It is very kind of westerny, but like a chic, more modern western. With a fat old glass of wine, I'd wear this anywhere. Okay? Anywhere. So, look, number 1. What do you guys think? Did we nail it? I think we kind of did. Alright. Yeah, not all outfits are hits, but sometimes like you'll get inspiration off of like it no matter what. And I mean, I still think it's cute. If I ever have a place to wear it, I would wear it. But let's move on to look number 2. This This is an outfit I would wear all the time. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, so Scout is actually in my office for the first time like in a very, very long time. Like, I don't know. He normally does not want to hang out with me in my office, but he does today, and it makes me happy. So sweet. Okay. Anyway, let's put on, this is kind of like a relaxed, very cute outfit, but I'm loving the different patterns, the stripes with the blue, with the cheetah. Super cute. So let's put on our low-rise string denim from Abercrombie to achieve this look. Honestly, one of my favorite pairs of jeans that I own. So good. They're so good. Okay. And then she has like this little white tank. I have to tell you, if you've ever tried, I ordered from TikTok Shop the Florence by Millie. I think it's Millie Mills. I don't know. I think it's Millie Robbie Brown, but I could be completely wrong. Because she has the Florence beauty care line, whatever. I bought their like, I think they're like workout tops. They are so good. I'm gonna show them in an upcoming like collective haul that I've been doing, but like I got them today and I was like, these are the best things I've ever put on my body. It reminds me because it's similar to what this Old Navy is, but not. Same, but different. But anyway, let's put on that little white tank that she's got underneath her button up. Okay, so cute little white tank. I wish it was a little, like not cropped, but like a little shorter, but that's fine. These are great. These are like the little 90s tank. The Florence one is similar to this, but it's more of a stretchy like material and it's more athletic-y, and the straps are thicker, but they don't have it in white, and I'm like, what the heck? But anyway, it is what it is. Let's put on our little cheetah flats. This is something I would never, ever think to do, like a light blue stripe with cheetah flats. I need to like tuck this in because the shirt, the way it's like poking out is making me look wide. Oh my God, we were in the pediatrician's office the other day and we were waiting as one does for the pediatrician, but whatever, or any doctor if you will, but for our 6 months, yeah, right girl, 6-year checkup. Anyway, they had a bunch of Berenstain Bear books and we're reading the one about junk food. And like, it talks about how chubby the kids have gotten because they're eating junk food, and the mom like calls them out on it. I was like, that's crazy. And I was like, we don't talk about people's bodies. And I'm like, yeah, we don't. Because we had to have a serious conversation because he would smack Scott's belly and be like, big fat, blank, something, whatever. Regardless, I'm not going to fill in the full line because you'll question me as a parent, but nonetheless, we had to talk about the fact that it's not normal and not okay to talk about people's bodies. And so when he saw that, he was like, I'm like, yeah, I know. Anywho, but it was kind of funny, but not funny at the same time. It talks about, I don't know, I'm thinking about getting more Berenstain Bears books because it talks about like no junk food, no junk food, too much junk food, too much TV, and like all the different things. And I don't know, just like sometimes it's a good little reminder and something that's not coming from you as a parent. Sometimes books like that are really cool in that sense. I mean, I love books, but anyway. Okay, here we go. I just got this button up from Quince. It's been on my like need to buy list for a long time, and then it went out of stock, and then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy that. And I love it. And I love it. I just would not pair these cheetah shoes. I don't know. I still don't know if I love them, but like, here we are. It's so good though. This is so cute. Yeah, but this cheetah is really throwing me for a loop. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it too much patterns? She looks really cool and chic. She's got the green matcha, which also pops. I don't know, I would probably do something a lot safer on the bottom, but I mean, it works. I don't want to take this outfit off now. It's so cute, but we've got 2 more outfits to do. But what do you think? How do we do? She has like cheetah Mary Janes. Mine are just like flats, but again, doesn't really matter. It kind of still gets the vibe done, but I don't know if I would full on wear that, and that's okay. It's part of the process. I'd probably wear like a black flip-flop or Even a red flip-flop would look cute. It doesn't look bad. It just looks not necessarily my style, but still cute nonetheless. So that was look number 2. How'd we do? What do you think? Let's move on to look number 3. Look number 3 is basic. I already know I'm going to love it. So let's put it on. And then we'll save the last one, my most interesting one. Kind of interesting, kind of not, for last. So we're gonna put on my janky shorts again. I ordered a new pair or similar pair from the Gap, but we're still gonna put these on for this outfit because I did pick up the mom ones from Zara and I just don't like them nearly as much. I'm still gonna try to get these fixed, but like the hemlines or like the seams at the top completely ripped here, completely ripped there, completely ripped here. So like they're not a good quality pair of shorts for me to be like, yeah, I can justify spending more money on them. But what do I have on the back? Chocolate probably. But I still love them. So I don't know. I'm hoping I like the Gap ones that I just bought just as much. And we'll see. But let's put them on for the sake of the outfit to get the vibe. And then I'll link the Gap ones and hopefully we can all rejoice because when I wear these, a lot of people are like, I want to know what they are. And I'm like, I know. They're so good. Okay, let's put them on. Again, we're ignoring the fact that I do not have a zipper. Such is life. Which is why I didn't save this outfit for last because I should and cannot wear this outside of the house. Because my badong. Why do I act like I have a ding-a-ling? I don't. Whatever. Anyways, let's put on a red top. So she just has like an oversized, like red linen button up, which this combination, a red and a white together, are just so good. We're cute. This is like an outfit I would wear 24/7. I'm just so sad about my shorts. And then she has a red flat. Hers are matched. I'm gonna throw out my jellies. Oh my god, I'm falling over. I feel like I have the worst balance when I'm not like trying to have balance. Anyway, then she has a little sunny on. So this is just a classic, great one. Summer uniform, loose denim shorts, a loose flowy button up, cute flats, and a sunglass. It's just cannot go wrong. Love, love, love everything about this. It makes me want to cut my hair short, but I'm not gonna. Anyway. So cute. Okay, let's move on to the 4th and final look. The look I'm gonna stay in for the rest of the day. Probably won't wear the headscarf. We'll try, but I'm not gonna lie, I have lower hopes for it. So anyways, 4th look. I can't with this dang zipper. It's driving me nuts. I'm like, I pull it up because I feel like I need to. But anyway, 4th look. She's got this cute like oversized flowy blouse. I had 2 to choose from, but I chose my Zara button up because I haven't worn it in a hot minute, long time, whatever. And little headscarf. We used the same scarf from the first one. I've never done one, so we're gonna see. But let's put on our light like Uniqlo wash, like a loose jean. The lightest ones that I own. Freshly washed, nice and stiff. I started doing this thing where I don't wash my jeans like every time I wear them. I never have, but I've been like batch washing my jeans. So like every time I'm like, okay, I'm doing laundry, let me just throw whatever jeans I feel like have like stretched out or gotten dirty or whatever, unless they have like an actual stain on them. I've been kind of washing them all together and I've really liked it. Anyway, she has a pair of red flats on. I think hers are also matched. She has a cute little cuff at the bottom. These are like the perfect jeans she got with. Let's put on our little white button up from Zara. I love this Zara. This is more of like a tunic, and I have one from Quince, but I decided to pop this out. I had freshly ironed it, and like I said, it has been a minute since I've worn this. And this is one of my favorite short sleeve blouses from Zara. This is already like meeting all my expectations, just this, but she has a scarf on. So we're gonna try to recreate it. I don't have as high hopes, not gonna lie to you. I've never done this before, so I don't know how it's gonna work. Oops. Oh no. Okay, so I think you fold it in a triangle. I don't know. Why did I just throw my whole body? If it works, cool. If not, I guess it is what it is. We at least tried. I don't know if it really works for me. It's kind of giving pirate. I think you're supposed to like tuck the little tail. Hers is a Dior scarf too. I remember I went on a trip with my family to Hawaii and I bought my first like luxury item. My dad gave me like a budget to spend on the trip or whatever, money or whatever. And I bought like a scarf from Coach, because Coach was all the rage back then. It was blue. I wonder where it is. I have no idea, clearly. But I remember buying it from like the Hawaiian like hotel shop thing. I wonder where we stayed in Hawaii. I don't even remember. Anyway, I'm not mad at it. I just don't know if it's like really my vibe. I don't know. It's cute and all, but like it's giving like a silk bonnet type thing that I wear to bed, not, I don't know. Some girls can pull this off and I don't know if I'm one of those girls. Nonetheless, also she has like a little wicker bag, so I could go with this option, which is so cute. I forgot about because I packed all my summer bags away. So good. And then this one, which was like one of my favorite purchases last year of all time, this little like green bag from Zara. Zara honestly has really cute bags. And I love this one. This is probably what I would choose, but this is the fourth and final look. It's cute. I am going to wear this for the rest of the day, but I'm not going to wear the headscarf. Sound off. Let me know. Do you think I'm like looking cray-cray, or is it in my head and it's fine? Do I look similar to how she looks? Her, me, I don't know. It's one. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, these videos, I make them to kind of encourage you to browse your closet, browse Pinterest, see what you have, and I don't know, re-fall in love with different ways to create and getting inspiration from other girls, especially if this isn't your like forte. Like this is my life, right? Creating outfits, putting together things, filming it for you guys. But if you're just like an average person who has a love for fashion but sometimes struggles with getting ideas, Instagram and TikTok and all that is great for like wanting to buy new things, but I feel like sometimes it's hard to get inspiration from things because it's always like they're linking it right away. Whereas Pinterest is like these outfits, some of these outfits have been on like the site for years and they're still so good. So I love it. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. Let me know as always what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. See you in the next one very, very soon.